Crypto.XL, where we uncover the hidden gems of the crypto market.
For me, it's not really Bitcoin. The play is Ethereum. I remember saying that multiple times. So I already have a pretty good position of it. Our Ethereum ETFs. There are future ETFs on Ethereum already. Another one to look out for is Solana, right? Now there are Solana. There are funds that follow Solana also that might be okayed on
exploring
May
their untapped
23rd.
potential.
So putting all of that together, right, we could come to a good area. So what I believe can happen from here is we could look at maybe having a pullback, but if we're talking about, 2020, Solana could perform really, really well, right? Because this is how the market thinks. To Ethereum, or with the possibility of competing with Ethereum. I guess I'll do a video update on the market and what's going on, and to focus on the fact that Bitcoin didn't break, or it approached all-time highs again, and it's using the 69K range for support, which is important, but what's more important is Ethereum, right? Ethereum is on fire. We're talking about 22% gains in one day. And for a crypto as large as Ethereum, that is noteworthy, right? We have to pay attention to that. That's actually a really, really big deal, right? Because it implies that some kind of altcoin rally, alt season, possibly something where your bags could be pumped, might be around the corner. It could be close. So the 23rd, May 23rd, is going to be a catalyst. The Ethereum ETF might get passed on that date. If it does get passed on that date, or whether or not it does, there could be a buy the rumor, sell the news, where you have some short-term volatility for Ethereum and also the rest of the altcoins. My thought on this is that I would just generally acquire Ethereum. I mean, if you look more, about a month and a half ago, I was making videos telling people that the play right now, for me, is not really Bitcoin. The play is Ethereum. I remember saying that multiple times. So I already have a pretty good position of Ethereum. More importantly, it's in 401k and retirement accounts, that kind of thing. Because there are Ethereum ETFs. There are future ETFs on Ethereum already. Another one to look out for is Solana, right? Now there are Solana. There are funds that follow Solana also. So if you have some kind of retirement account with your job, you could look into whether or not they allow you to get into crypto-backed products, or products that follow crypto, not on a spot basis, but on a futures basis, right? So what does this all mean, and where are we going with this? It's possible now that Ethereum could start outperforming Bitcoin. It's possible, right? And I would like to be in that trade way before it happens, or right before it happens, months before it happens. I like to run that trade, because I don't want to get into it. I don't want to get into it after it's already pumped 40%.
Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey with us as we hunt for small cap coins with the potential to explode. Join us as we dive deep into the world of small cap cryptocurrencies, exploring their untapped potential and uncovering opportunities for growth that could turn your investment into a fortune. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking for the next big winner, or a newcomer eager to learn the ropes,
all right, so
Crypto.XL
I was
is your
speaking
ultimate
about Bitcoin and
destination for insightful
Ethereum,
analysis,
and I was mentioning
expert
that the spot ETF for Ethereum, that might be okayed on May 23rd, right? It's possible that it's okayed on May 23rd. It may or may not be okayed on May 23rd. But we don't really care about that, right? Because it could be a buy the rumor, sell the news. we're more focused on the entirety of the bull run. If you zoom out, there's a high probability that the Ethereum ETF will eventually get passed. There is also a high probability that funds will be going into these ETFs. It won't be just one, it will be multiple. We also see that the Bitcoin ETF, when that was passed, Bitcoin spiked up 75% in a very short amount of time. We also know that Ethereum has a smaller market cap than Bitcoin. So if what happened to Bitcoin with the inflow of capital happens to Ethereum and we get something comparable or something similar, Ethereum can outperform Bitcoin in a short period of time, right? So, and also another factor to consider is the 4-year cycle and what Ethereum normally does in this phase of the cycle relative to Bitcoin. It normally starts to outperform Bitcoin anyway, without the ETFs. So putting all of that together, right, we could come to the conclusion that having some exposure to Ethereum might be a good idea, right? So I am not a Bitcoin maxi, and I'm not a large cap specialist or enthusiast in crypto. That all being said, when I see a good trade or a good angle that's low risk, high reward, I will probably end up taking that bet. Okay, so it looks to me like Ethereum could do a really, really good job short term, and it could outperform short term. So congratulations to everyone who was paying attention and everyone who got into this trade with me and got into that position with Ethereum. So what I believe can happen from here is we can look at an ETH quickly zooming up to around 6,000, right? Maybe having a pullback. But if we're talking about, 2025, we could be looking at a $10,000 Ethereum, right? So again, if you're getting in, 3,000 or sub 3,000, if you're looking for a large cap that's fairly safe, nothing in crypto is 100% safe, but something that's safe for crypto, that's definitely a good look. It's a good risk to reward proposition, especially if you get into leveraged positions, because these are futures contracts, right? Moving forward, after the Ethereum trade, after Ethereum does what it's supposed to do, does multiples, another trade to go into, and we're talking about positions in stock exchanges or retirement accounts, right? Moving forward, you can look at large caps, right? Other layer ones, such as Solana. Solana is on fire. That's another trade that we've taken and we've gotten into. Opening a long position around 118 and just letting it ride until Solana hits over $1,000. If you're not into that trade yet, maybe you can get in on a pullback, right? Because there will be pullbacks. So on pullbacks, Solana is also a nice risk to reward proposition, culminating in rumors of a Solana ETF. Now, is Solana going to get an ETF this cycle? Probably not. I don't know, right? But it doesn't have to. If there's rumors of an ETF or a possibility of an ETF, Solana could perform really, really well, right? It's just how the market thinks. The market front runs information and it front runs whatever is already going on. So Solana, Cardano, Polygon Matic, Arbitrum, L1s, L1s, especially L1s connected to Ethereum or with the possibility of competing with Ethereum. Another thing to look out for is the new L1s that are going to be coming out, right? There are going to be a few L1s that are going to be coming out, and the narrative is that they're going to be competing with Solana. paying attention to these new L1s when they come out could be quite lucrative, especially getting in on the ground floor. If you get in on the ground floor, you don't have to buy after they've already gone 10x. You can buy, you could put less capital in and get greater exposure earlier on. And I will be bringing you info on those L1s when it arises. Closer to launch, I'll be letting you know which ones I'm looking at. But that's my market update for today. I decided to come out here and get some fresh air and not be cooped up all the time. And so that's where we are now. Congratulations again to everyone who got into the Ethereum trade. And there's going to be a lot of good trades coming up. A lot of good trades, right? Remember, so now it's Ethereum. After Ethereum does a few multiples, 3x, whatever the X numbers are, I'll be looking into rolling that over into the next narrative as far as large cap ETFs go, right? The narrative for large cap ETFs. So far, we've gotten to Bitcoin around 15,500. Bitcoin is far from over, by the way. Bitcoin's going to pummel, it's going to completely crush it going into 2025, in my opinion. But I can make more X's right now with Ethereum, right? So rolling that into Ethereum, and then after Ethereum does a few X's, rolling that into some really strong L1s and some really strong narratives. That's going to be the next rumors for ETFs, right? Solana's completely crushing it also, right? And then after that, we're going to be looking for the so-called Solana killers. That's going to be a narrative in 2025, probably Q3 2025, Q2, Q3 2025. So we'll be looking out for that. So shout out to you, big up to you guys. This is Crypto.XL. Remember, touch grass, get some fresh air, and I'll see you at the top.
Crypto market. Are you ready to discover the next big thing in investing? Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey with us as we hunt for small cap coins with the potential to explode. Join us as we dive deep into the world of small cap cryptocurrencies, exploring their untapped potential and uncovering opportunities for growth that could turn your investment into a fortune. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking for the next big winner or a newcomer eager to learn the ropes, Crypto.XL is your ultimate destination for insightful analysis, expert tips, and the latest trends in the small cap crypto market. Remember, this is not financial advice. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Don't miss out on the opportunity of a lifetime. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this thrilling adventure to uncover small cap gems that could skyrocket your portfolio to new heights. Let's make 50-100x gains together.